So this is, what's today, Matthew? Today is March 26th, and we are all about to go for our first sled. Emily's never been sledding before. All right, Matthew, you gonna sit on Daddy's lap so we can go for this sled? Come up here. Hurry up. Hurry. All right, here we go.
Yeah. We walk back.
Alright, now we're gonna walk back up. That was Emily's first sled. Yay! Yay! I'm not really sure how your hand got out there. Yay! You want me to come back? You want to go back down? Hey, why don't you get your sled and come back down? Get your sled. There it is. Yep. Oh, you gotta get on it. You gonna try again? Hi, Emmy. Yeah. You need help? Grab it on the orange handle.
Orange handle.
There you go. Now you can carry it.
Now I can carry it.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going away.
And we're gonna go for another ride. Here we go. Woo! Way to go! Huh? You gotta get up. Hello, Emily. Hi. This is really kind of the first snowfall worth coming out for. Yes, Matthew. Are you coming down? Yeah. Matthew thinks he's funny. He slides down with his. Hi, Emily. Hello. Are you having fun out in the snow? Huh? It'll be a little more fun when you can walk, huh? Yeah. I have no clue what your brother's up to. Matthew, I thought you were coming down. Don't take the gloves off. Your brother is funny. You hear the birds? Alright, let's go get your brother. He's being silly up there. Yeah? What do you think about the snow? Huh? You're a silly brother. Yeah, Daddy probably has your hat on backwards. Hey, Matthew. Ah.
I got.
You want to take your gloves off?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Emily. You're not quite walking yet, but you're getting there. You really don't like your little snow suit. You look back on this, you'll be like, ugh. What? Are you making a snowball, Matthew? Yeah. Do you want to have your hands? Hi, Matthew. Whoa. You are fast.
Hi.
Hi.
I have
How old are you?
3.
You're almost 3. You'll be 3 this month. Next month.
Daddy, I see.
You want to see? You
No.
want to take a video? Go ahead. You take video. It's video. Don't press any buttons.
Wait.
Look. Can you see Daddy in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There.
Let me see.
There.
Yep. Look, Emily's playing in the snow.
I am playing with snow.
Slash mud.
I'm being a snowman.
Late March snowfall. Are you eating the snow, Matthew? What's it taste like?
Good.
It tastes good? It tastes like water? There you go. Is that better? Show Daddy how you roll. Whoa! Whoa! Are you done roll? Oh! Is that the best you can do?
My hands they're cold.
They're cold.
Yeah.
Uh,
Warm them up.
warm up. Alright.
Yeah.
This is why I asked you to keep your gloves on.
Put my gloves on.
Well, I don't know. You left them up at the top, I think. Alright, do you want to go make your snowman?
Yeah.
Alright. I think
Yeah.
Emmy wants to make the snowman too, don't you? Don't you want to make the snowman?